Show how I installed a double pane window in my existing wood window frame. As you can see, I had to add a molding on the inside that was just to hide the double pane inside frame. But basically, we used the ledge of the existing ledge of the frame, and here I made a little sketch. So I had a 1/2 inch ledge. I had a 5/8 ledge inside the frame. So we made the double pane. We ordered that at a 1/2 inch thick, and then we still had room for paint points, and then silicone, paintable silicone from the outside. And here's that molding that I just showed you on the inside. But it's a whole lot cheaper. I did this many years ago, and I'll show you what it looks like a little bit from the outside. But okay, that's about it.